Motherfucker, I'll kick your ass!
I go away and you do something silly.
I don't do anything silly. I'm a normal human being.
Do the dance. What do you do? Are you out of the... Okay.
What? That was scary.
What'd she do? I missed it. Oh.
That's not what she did.
No.
She did this.
Do it again, Jordan. It's like almost 2 o'clock in the morning on New Year's Day. Woohoo!
Happy New Year!
She's like, I'm a normal kid. I'm just eating cotton candy.
Hey.
She's looking for cotton candy now. I'm sitting right here, Sally.
Cotton band-aids. I got band-aids in my footsteps. Let me cut your face open so I can give you some shitty band-aids. Don't die. Breathe.
People are gonna go, what the fuck? Why is this video jumping so much?
Breathe, Mom, breathe.
Don't
Give birth to the pickle!
Don't. I can't even play, Bola.
Like, Mom, nobody.
I'm just a head on table. It's my turn. No,
My stomach hurts.
shit freely. Did you just steal my card? Okay.
I have video proof.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Get back when it's ringing. It's your turn. Get back when it's ringing. Oh, my gosh, Bola.
National Pick Up Your Shit Day. Don't leave the park without picking up your shit.
What?
Ma'am, you just shit in that cornfield. Pick it up.
But, I want to save it for dinner. Pick it up.
Oh, Paula.
Her name is Paula. She's crazy. But I play good. Oh my god. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Oh. She left her dress. Oh my god. Oh, too late.
You done it?
Did you just call me a dumbass?
I said, are you done yet?
No. Not yet. Did you really just call my sister a dumbhead?
No.
No. My sister's not a dumbhead.
I do the winter dance, Paula.
Power of the weenus.
That's not your weenus.
National Show Your Weenus.
You got the key.
You think?
I don't know for sure yet.
So, do we keep going until...
No, we're done.
Finishing.
12. 12.
Okay.
12.
2-foot pole.
5. 11.